Question 1. Which city became the capital of British India in 1911? Options are A. Kolkata, B. Delhi, C. Mumbai, D. Chennai. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Delhi. Question 2. What was the previous capital of British India before Delhi? Options are A. Mumbai, B. Madras, C. Kolkata, D. Hyderabad. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is C. Kolkata. Question 3. Who designed New Delhi? Options are A. Herbert Baker, B. Edwin Lutyens, C. Charles Correa, D. Le Corbusier. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Edwin Lutyens. Question 4. What was the original name of Delhi's famous Konaita place? Options are A. Rajiv Chowk, B. Queen's Market, C. Kingsway, D. Konaita Circus. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is D. Konaita Circus. Question 5. The British demolished which Mughlara settlement to build New Delhi? Options are A. Shahjahanabad, B. Chandni Chowk, C. Lal Killa, D. Mahrauli. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. Shahjahanabad. Question 6. What was the main purpose behind the British rebuilding of Delhi? Options are A. Show grandeur, B. Improve sanitation, C. Strengthen administration, D. All of the above. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Question 7. Which architectural style influenced British buildings in India? Options are A. Gothic, B. Indo-Saracenic, C. Modernist, D. Brutalist. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Indo-Saracenic. Question 8. Which famous Indian monument suffered neglect due to British focus on New Delhi? Options are A. Taj Mahal, B. Qutub Minar, C. Red Fort, D. Humayun's tomb. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is C. Red Fort. Question 9. What was the major impact of British urban planning on local populations? Options are A. Improved living conditions, B. Displacement of people, C. Free housing, D. Expansion of businesses. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Displacement of people. Question 10. Which area was designated for British officials in New Delhi? Options are A. Old Delhi, B. Civil Lines, C. Lajpat Nagar, D. Chandni Chowk. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Civil lines. Question 11. Why was the Mughal city of Shahjahanabad seen as chaotic by the British? Options are A. Narrow streets, B. Overcrowding, C. Lack of sanitation, D. All of the above. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Question 12. In which year was the Darbar held to declare Delhi as the new capital? Options are A. 1905, born in 1911, circa 1920, D. 1935. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is born in 1911. Question 13. What was the Black Town in British colonial cities? Options are A. Area for Indians, B. Area for British, C. Industrial zone, D. Government quarters. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. Area for Indians. Question 14. What was the White Town? Options are A. European residential area, B. A place for artists, C. Industrial town, D. Marketplace. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. European residential area. Question 15. Which structure was considered the center of power in colonial Delhi? Options are A. India Gate, B. Viceroy's House, C. Parliament House, D. Rashtrapati Bhavan. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is D. Rashtrapati Bhavan. Question 16. Why did the British build wide roads in New Delhi? Options are A. To facilitate trade, B. To prevent uprisings, C. For aesthetic appeal, D. To improve traffic. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. To prevent uprisings. Question 17. Which of these areas became a commercial hub after Delhi's expansion? Options are A. Karol Bagh, B. Chandni Chowk, C. Connaught Place, D. Lajpat Nagar. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is C. Connaught Place. Question 18. Who shifted the British capital from Kolkata to Delhi? Options are A. Lord Curzon, B. Lord Ripon, C. Lord Harding, D. Lord Dalhousie. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is C. Lord Harding. Question 19. What was the British perception of Indian urban spaces? Options are A. Modern and advanced, B. Unhygienic and chaotic, C. Peaceful and organized, D. Sacred and traditional. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Unhygienic and chaotic. Question 20. The British used which of these structures as their central administrative hub? Options are A. Rashtrapati Bhavan, B. India Gate, C. Red Fort, D. Parliament House. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. Rashtrapati Bhavan. Question 21. What was a key feature of Indo-Saracenic architecture? Options are A. Large glass windows, B. Use of domes and arches, C. Wooden structures, D. Prefabricated concrete. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Use of domes and arches. Question 22. Which part of Old Delhi was famous for its Mughlara markets? Options are A. Lajpat Nagar, B. Chandni Chowk, C. Karol Bagh, D. Konoita Place. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Chandni Chowk. Question 23. Which grand event in 1911 marked the shift of the capital to Delhi? Options are A. Delhi Summit, B. Delhi Darbar, C. Empire Conference, D. India Congress. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Delhi Darbar. Question 24. What was a major reason behind urban planning changes in Delhi? Options are A. Rising population, B. Fear of Indian uprisings, C. Tourism, D. Expansion of railway. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Fear of Indian uprisings. Question 25. Which community faced displacement due to British expansion in Delhi? Options are A. British settlers, B. Wealthy Indian merchants, C. Artisans and traders, D. Indian royalty. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is C. Artisans and traders. Question 26. What was a major effect of British urban planning on Delhi's economy? Options are A. Increased trade, B. Decline of traditional industries, C. Boost in Indian businesses, D. Equal opportunities for all. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Decline of traditional industries. Question 27. Which city planning feature symbolized British power in New Delhi? Options are A. Narrow lanes, B. Broad roads, C. Small colonies, D. Wooden bridges. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Broad roads. Question 28. The British built India Gate to honor whom? Options are A. Indian freedom fighters, B. British officials, C. Soldiers of World War I, D. Mughal rulers. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is C. Soldiers of World War I. Question 29. Why was the Delhi Darbar of 1911 significant? Options are A. It marked Delhi's beautification. B. It declared Delhi as capital. C. It promoted Indian culture. D. It started railway expansion. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. It declared Delhi as capital. Question 30. What was the British policy of divide and rule evident in Delhi's planning? Options are A. Rich-poor division. B. Hindu-Muslim division. C. Segregation of Indians and British. D. Business worker division. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is C. Segregation of Indians and British. Question 31. Which important road connected Rashtrapati Bhavan to India Gate? Options are A. Janpath, B. Kingsway, now Rajpath, C. Chandni Chowk Road, D. Kanautar Road. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Kingsway, now Rajpath. Question 32. Why did many artisans lose their jobs in Delhi during colonial rule? Options are A. Machines replaced them. B. Migration. C. British encouraged Indian industries. D. More foreign investment. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. Machines replaced them. Question 33. What was the impact of railways on Old Delhi's layout? Options are A. More roads were built. B. Traditional markets declined. C. It led to massive migration. D. All of the above. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Question 34. What was one cultural impact of colonial rule in Delhi? Options are A. Revival of Mughal art. B. Adoption of British lifestyle. C. Expansion of Sanskrit schools. D. Decline of English education. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Adoption of British lifestyle. Question 35. Which colonial-era newspaper criticized British policies in urban planning? Options are A. The Times of India. B. The Hindustan Times. C. The Amrita Bazar Patrika. D. The Tribune. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is C. The Amrita Bazar Patrika. Question 36. How did British officials justify the destruction of Shahjahanabad? Options are A. To prevent rebellion. B. To build new roads. C. To create better living conditions. D. To improve military security. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is D. To improve military security. Question 37. What was the primary British administrative headquarters in colonial Delhi? Options are A. Rashtrapati Bhavan. B. Fort Street. George. C. Red Fort. D. Civil Lines. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. Rashtrapati Bhavan. Question 38. Why did the British not use the Red Fort as their main headquarters? Options are A. It was too small, B. It symbolized Mughal rule, C. It was poorly built, D. It lacked security. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. It symbolized Mughal rule. Question 39. What was a negative impact of the new colonial city on Indian merchants? Options are A. Profits increased, B. Business growth, C. Heavy taxation, D. New opportunities. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is C. Heavy taxation. Question 40. The Delhi Improvement Trust was set up in 1937 for what purpose? Options are A. Housing British officials, B. Beautification of Delhi, C. Urban development, D. Construction of British-only colonies. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is C. Urban development. Question 41. Why did old Muglara gardens and markets disappear under British rule? Options are A. They were modernized, B. British banned them, C. They were destroyed for new construction, D. They were expanded for tourism. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is C. They were destroyed for new construction. Question 42. Which event led to British officials rethinking Delhi's layout? Options are A. Indian Revolt of 1857, B. Gandhi's protests, C. Second World War, D. The Partition of India. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. Indian Revolt of 1857. Question 43. What change in housing did the British introduce in New Delhi? Options are A. Large bungalows with gardens, B. High-rise apartments, C. Wooden houses, D. Housing for all classes. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. Large bungalows with gardens. Question 44. Which Indian king tried to modernize Delhi before the British? Options are A. Akbar, B. Shah Jahan, C. Tipu Sultan, D. Maharaja Ranjit Singh. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Shah Jahan. Question 45. The old city of Delhi was primarily designed by which ruler? Options are A. Babur, B. Humayun, C. Shah Jahan, D. Aurangzeb. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is C. Shah Jahan. Question 46. Which colonial law forced Indians to give up land in Delhi? Options are A. Land Acquisition Act, B. Delhi Urban Law, C. Indian Land Tax Act, D. Property Act. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. Land Acquisition Act. Question 47. Which market area became the commercial hub of Delhi under British rule? Options are A. Chandni Chowk, B. Karol Bagh, C. Connaught Place, D. Lajpat Nagar. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is C. Connaught Place. Question 48. Why did many Indians dislike British urban planning? Options are A. It was expensive, B. It destroyed Indian heritage, C. It increased job opportunities, D. It supported traditional Indian culture. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. It destroyed Indian heritage. Question 49. Which famous Indian leader criticized British urban planning in Delhi? Options are A. Subhash Chandra Bose, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Sardar Patel. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Mahatma Gandhi. Question 50. What was the long-term impact of British rule on Delhi? Options are A. It became a major economic center, B. It remained unchanged, C. It lost all historical significance, D. It became a less important city. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. It became a major economic center.